Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing from Influenster. This particular one is from the Covergirl, and on the box it says Easy Breezy Beautiful Covergirl. And again, it's from Influenster. Influenster is the website you can sign up and do reviews on products that you've already used, and based on your reviews and like following and stuff, they will send you samples. Sometimes it's just like small samples, but most of the time it's full size. And this particular one is from Covergirl. Now they did send me like the survey of a whole bunch of other stuff, but I guess I only qualified for the Covergirl one. Usually they tell you if you're in, but I see lately they haven't been doing that. So I was shocked when I went to my P.O. box and saw this in there. So this is the information card to tell you all of the items that's in the box. And on the back it lists the actual items. By looking at this box, there's only 3 items, but on the back is listed 4. Sometimes it'll do that. It won't send you like the whole line. I think with the Physicians Formula box, it sent me 3 instead of the 4 items as well. But these are the items that's in the box. Covergirl Summer Shade Box brings you freshly highly pigmented shades in just one swipe. Oh, so it is 3 items. So the top one is just like the title. Okay, so it's the True Blend So Flush Blush, True Naked Quad Eyeshadow Palette, and Exhibitionist Lip Paint. And then it tells you what to do to post on Instagram if you want to. Okay, so it did came, the whole box came wrapped, but I took the wrapping off because it had my address on it. But so it still is in plastic wrap as well. So as you can see, I have not opened anything. So I'm gonna do that right now. So these how the products look. It looks so cute. So first is this blush. And it's in the color 320 Love Me. So pretty. The packaging is so cute. It is sealed. So I'm going to open it up to show you guys how it actually looks. Okay, so now that I have that open, this is how the color looks. And it actually have Covergirl embedded on the actual product. I don't want to swipe it or touch it right now because I don't know. I didn't wash my hands before unboxing this. So this is how it looks. And I don't know how much it retails for in the store. But again, I got this for free from Influencer in exchange for my honest opinion. I don't know how much it retails for or going to retails for because it's currently not in the store, and I tried to Google it right now. It's not out yet, so yeah. So next we have this eyeshadow palette, True Naked Dreamland. And it did have a seal on. I went ahead and take it off. I went ahead and took it off while I was taking off the other thing. And this is the color 760. True Naked Quad Palette Ombre. So it's 4. Quad means 4, so it's 4 colors. And the colors are really pretty. This from left to right, this is a shimmery color. Shimmery, kind of like gold looking. This is like a brownish color. This is a shimmery, like copper color. And this is like another shade of brown. And it also comes with this little eyeshadow like thing or whatever. It has 2 different types. That is like the usual brush in, and then they have like this other brush in right here. This is so cute, very compact. You could take it inside your purse, travel with it. And lastly, we have this Covergirl Lip Paint. And it's in the color 115. Sorry, sweetie. And it says highly pigmented, waterproof, crease proof, fade proof. So I'm going to take it out of the packaging and show you guys how it looks inside. So yeah, so this one's definitely sample size. It's very small. I don't think they come this small. And this is how it looks. See how the applicator looks. Okay, so it's like that. Looks like eyelash glue tube. So yeah, so this is a lip paint. Okay, so we're going to go back through it. So this is the Covergirl Lip Paint. It's in the color 115. Sorry, sweetie. This is the Quad eyeshadow palette, and it is in the color 760. And lastly, we have the Covergirl True Brand Blush. It is in the color 320, Love Me. And again, I got this from Influenster. You can sign up through the app. I don't think they do it through the website anymore. It's all through the app now. And they send you a survey when they're about to have some samples or full-size products or a campaigner, and they'll send you a survey. You fill out the survey, answer the questions honestly. Is makeup, skincare, food, dog stuff. I don't know about baby stuff because I don't have any kids, but it's like pet stuff. I don't have any pets either, so I always opt out of those campaigns because it would be foolish for me to get those campaigns and I don't even have a pet. So basically anything new. I know last summer they did like barbecue sauce. Like it was like, it's all kind of stuff. So it's not just makeup. So if you like other stuff too, that's a good thing. You can go to the website. And again, this is the Covergirl. And the model looks very beautiful on the picture. And these are the items that's in the box. The True Blend So Flush Blush, True Naked Quad Eyeshadow Palette, and the Exhibitionist Lid Paint, sorry. I keep saying lip paint. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, just leave it down below. I have two ebooks, Football Wags 1 and 2 on Amazon Kindle for 99 cents. Kindle Unlimited, get to read both parts for free. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thumbs up this video. Have a Mink Eyelash Store, AffordableMinkLashes.com. You can go on there and order some lashes. Use the code YouTube for a discount and free shipping over $30. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Thank you. Bye.